Hey everyone, and welcome to my Car Master YouTube channel. Ferrari isn't afraid to try something new, as proven by the 296 GTB and 296 GTS, which pair a mid-mounted turbocharged V6 with a GASP electric motor. The resulting hybrid powertrain is not only wildly powerful, making a combined 819 horsepower, but it also sounds wonderfully melodic. Sure, the 296 doesn't belt out the same arias as the Italian automaker's high-revving V8s and V12s, but it nonetheless bodes well for a future when electrification is expected to become more common than internal combustion. If the 296 Coupe, GTB, and convertible GTS are any indication, Ferrari hasn't forgotten how to make absolutely stunning sports cars that have you thinking you must be in automotive nirvana. The 296 GTB that we drove also confirmed that even though it was laden with all manner of high-tech aids, it's still a phenomenal machine that drivers of all skill sets can exploit. It might not sound exactly like exotic Ferraris of old, but as the 296 shows, new ingredients don't always ruin a famous recipe. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, like and comment for more videos.